Hi again, this is part two of the assignment. I realized I forgot to do explanation for a clear plan for collecting appropriate evidence for growth. So my plan that I did at the beginning of May, I just had it in my planner. This is what I planned to do. Um, there you go. Just a reminder in the second part of my teacher planner so that I would remember to do it, have academic games, present unusual info, use physical movement, and remind myself what my goals were. And then that way I could easily just jot down what happened, what the kids thought, things like that. So it would be really easy for me to just keep on my desk, keep right with the planner, and implement throughout the week. So that was my plan for collecting evidence, and I'm excited to share with you everything I collected. Thank you.